Avery printable tags make it easy to create gift tags, product tags, and even tags for organizing. This video will show how to personalize Avery printable tags using free templates from Avery. We will be using Avery 22802 tags for inkjet printers. The tags are made from heavyweight cardstock with enough space between the tags so that your design can print all the way to the edge. These blue strips at the top of the page use SureFeed technology, which is a patented grip strip designed to help with printing in alignment and reduce printer jams. The package also includes quick latch strings. Start designing with Avery Design Print Online at avery.com/templates using your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Type in the Avery product number found on your packaging and click Start Designing. There are 3 different template layouts to choose from. If you want to print just one side of your tags, choose the hole on the left template for a wide orientation, or hole on top for a tall orientation. We also offer a hole on top that allows printing on both sides. We will choose the hole on top one-sided by clicking Select this template. The next step is to choose a blank or pre-designed template. To browse by design category, use the menu on the left. We will select this design and it will appear on the Customize screen. If we had chosen a blank template, we would have the option to add text or images using the tools on the left. We can also upload information from a spreadsheet using Import Data or Mail Merge, which is great for large projects such as personalized favor tags or product price tags. See our video on Mail Merge to see how. On the right, there's a mini version of the template called the Navigator, where we can preview our changes. With the Navigator, we have the option to edit one or edit all of the tags. It's best to stay on Edit All until the overall design is finished, and then select Edit One to make individual changes. We will highlight the text at the top and type in the name of our company. If we needed to, we could change the font style, size, or color by using the options on the left. Next, we'll choose the lower text box and replace that text. We can reposition text boxes or images by clicking on the edge and dragging. If you originally selected the one-sided version of the template and would like to add a back side, you can use the Change Template button on the upper right-hand corner. This will apply your design to the double-sided template without losing any of your work. After we have selected the Change Template button, a Save Design box will appear. Here you can save this project with a new name or cancel if you do not need the one-sided version. After you select an option, this will take you back to the Choose Template page. We'll choose the option with the hole on top and print both sides by clicking Select this template. This will take us back to the Customize step. Above the tag, there's an option to flip between the front of sheet and the back of sheet. We will click the Back of Sheet button to add care instructions text to the back of the tags. To add the text, go to the left side and click the T for Text button, then add text box and type in your text. If we wanted to copy something from the front of the tag to the back, we can switch to the front of sheet, click on the item, copy it, choose Back of Sheet, and then paste it. Click the Preview and Print buttons at the top or bottom right to see both sides of your tags and to confirm that you're ready to print. Watch our video on two-sided printing to see how. After printing, we can now gently fold along the perforations to remove our tags from the sheet and carefully pop out the whole cover. The strings have a quick latch fastener for easy and secure attachment. Just click the ends together to fasten, or you can dress these up with your own fancy string or ribbon. If you have additional questions, contact our care team or visit avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.